This is Dr. Kevin Campbell. I am in San Francisco at the 2014 Heart Rhythm Society annual sessions, just after the late-breaking clinical trials presentation today. I have with me Dr. Arjun Guraj, a practicing electrophysiologist, and we're going to get his reaction to Dr. Reddy's presentation of the leadless trial data. Dr. Guraj, you just left the late-breaking clinical trials presentation, and I'm interested in your reaction to Dr. Reddy's presentation on the leadless trial.
Yeah, I think it's quite a fascinating trial, actually, in my opinion. I think it is a device in the future that potentially could have a lot of benefits for our patients, for sure. We all know that the Achilles heel of any pacer system right now is definitely the lead, and it tends not to last a very long time. I think what he's shown us now in this pilot study is basically it's a safe device. The numbers look very good after about 12 months. It appears to be working fine, and the complication rate's tremendously low. I'm personally very excited about this type of technology. It certainly could be a game changer in many ways.
How do you think this is going to impact electrophysiology as a whole going forward?
Well, I think the trend nowadays is definitely trying to limit pacing using a lead system. We've seen this in ICDs, for example. I think the real issue is if this really pans out, this becomes a very safe device. I think it could change the way electrophysiologists approach patients that need pacemakers. We might get to the point where you might not need the device with pacer leads at all, and would have better longevity, better battery life, and better safety, really.